Replacing your AC filter is one of the simplest ways to keep your system running efficiently, and you can do it in just 3 easy steps. Hi there, I'm Michael Carter, Associate Director for Outdoor Products at Carrier. Step 1. Locate and open the filter cabinet. First, turn off the power to your system, either at the thermostat, the breaker, or the shutoff switch near the indoor unit. Find the filter cabinet, which is usually near the blower, along the side, top, or bottom, depending on your system setup. Once opened, note the airflow direction printed on the filter and carefully slide it out. Step 2. Decide to clean or replace. If your filter is packed with dust or debris, it's likely time for a replacement. If it's only lightly dirty, you might be able to clean it. Just be sure to follow the manufacturer instructions and always note the filter size before discarding it, so you can buy the correct replacement. Step 3. Install the filter and turn the system on. Slide the new filter or clean filter back into place, airflow arrows pointing in the right direction, close the panel and restore power. That's it. Cleaner air and better efficiency in just a few minutes. For further help or questions, reach out to your local Carrier dealer. They're happy to help with all of your heating and cooling needs.